You've probably been told that setting big, ambitious goals is the key to success, but that advice often creates more pressure than progress. When you fixate on a distant outcome, every day feels like you're falling short. The research is clear. This focus on future results triggers anxiety and makes the path feel overwhelming. This is the goal setting lie, the belief that the endpoint matters more than the daily process. Think about how it feels when you set a huge goal like write a book or start a business. The sheer size of it can paralyze you before you even begin. You stare at the blank page or the overwhelming to-do list, and the gap between where you are and where you want to be seems impossible to bridge. The science points to a better way: building systems. Goals are about the destination you hope to reach someday, which can feel abstract and far away. Systems are about the present moment actions you take today. They shift your focus from a future outcome to a current behavior. This is sustainable because it relies on consistency, not intensity. Small, repeatable actions compound over time, creating progress with far less mental strain. Studies on habit formation show that this process-based approach is what builds lasting change. Think of it like a long road trip. Your goal is the final destination, but if you spent the entire drive worrying about arriving, you'd be exhausted. Instead, you focus on the system, following today's route, stopping for fuel, and making steady progress. You trust that the daily driving will get you there. This mindset reduces overwhelm because your only job is the immediate action, not the finish line. So, how do you start? Identify one tiny, repeatable action connected to your larger aim. Focus on consistency, not intensity. Use the 2-minute rule. Make the action so small you can do it in 2 minutes. This isn't about tracking massive wins, but about building a rhythm. The moment you implement this, you'll feel the mental load lighten. You're no longer carrying the weight of a huge goal. The freedom is found in focusing on the process. When you show up for your system each day, progress becomes inevitable. Your next step is simple. Choose one micro action today. It could be writing one sentence, doing 5 minutes of a task, or organizing a single drawer. This small start builds the momentum that big goals can't. You build confidence not by reaching a finish line, but by trusting your daily routine. That's how you achieve sustainable productivity without the burnout. If you want to dive deeper into building systems and micro actions that create lasting change, join our free newsletter at the Micro Mile. Each week, you'll get research-backed strategies and practical guidance to help you master the art of consistent progress, one small step at a time. Sign up now.